How to create TikTok account without phone number. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok For You page. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top and tap on your name as shown. If you want to switch your account, then tap on Add Account. Here, you can add a new account by using your phone number, email, Facebook, etc. Now tap on the text bar if you want to open your account using phone number. Then type in your phone number here. After that, tap on Continue below. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and easily create TikTok account with phone number.